how deep is it? The depth varies from which point. Now here, average depth is 1 meter. There should be less than a meter, but as you get closer to the waterfall, it gets deeper. The first point is that the plant were under the waterfall. Some people drink it depending on your
With my fake camera, guys, we are hiking. We are heading to Sezibwa Falls. My God! Whoa, whoa, whoa! You can see what's behind me, right? Sezibwa Falls. You go Kaliso is official. Buiji Safaris. We shall bring all this to you. Yeah. So guys, we on Sezibwa Falls. Naye bannange. Bino ndisibirabangako kubanga gana amayinja. Gana amayinja ngaga sigakumala. Imagine you didn't have breakfast. How would you climb here?
No, you wouldn't.
Ah!
Thank you.
Wow. First time coming?
Uganda.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Okay, Buddha.
Yeah. Sezibwa Falls.
Are you planning to visit Uganda?
Whoa. Guys, Sezibwa Falls. So guys, this is Sezibwa Falls. If you have not been here before, yeah, my WhatsApp number is there. I can just bring you here. Wow. You can see how people are having fun. The Muzungu is there. See how guys are doing it, but you need to walk carefully on these stones, man, or else you leave your teeth here. My God. My team that I had to move with this festive season for around 3 days from Rwanda. You can see them having fun, enjoying. Wherever country you are, you can come to Uganda, have fun. Don't go beyond this point because then you can see the falls very deep down there. We have some of our friends down walking. Yeah. So guys, this is my team from Rwanda. I worked with ladies the citizen. They supported me. We are at Sezibwa Falls. It's really falls. You can see. Just go to my description. There is my WhatsApp number. Send my message. I'll let you come here. Watch the Muzungu. Jangu wetegeye. Abazungu baba neno. Yeah, jangu wetegeye. Nukusigala nawe. Tegeera. Look at the falls. So as we continue with Sezibwa Falls, let me take you around. We're done with the waterfall, so there's like another waterfall here. There we go. See the forest. Forests, waterfalls.
Do you mind taking?
Selena. Is it? The pandas come here. Hey guys.
That cave has a snake. Guys, they say this cave has a snake. I don't know how true it is, but if you can see those houseflies coming out, let me even leave this place. Hey, snake. What? This is my team. We are still in Sezibwa Falls. This is the forest. This is the forest. You can hear the waterfalls. We left the waterfalls. We've been coming, moving around. These people want to swim, but I don't know. We need to get up with time to Jinja. They want to do buji jumping. And then Allah Akbar. This is really nice, man. This is nice. You can see my team there. We have the guide trying to take them through. I'm all sweating. I'm in the forest. I'm Sezibwa, it's my team. My team is there. The falls, we have the falls down there. Muziraba. Kuwe na yagala okulambula. Mu inbox yange mulimu WhatsApp number emotoka weeri. Ate ogenda kwejjusa ku kya motoka nze nkubuulira. You yourself, you thank me and be like, man, you brought a ride. This is a ride. You know, gaali. Tena wetagenda. Whether what at affordable price. Just get to my inbox. Come and watch the Sezibwa Falls. Come and watch these forests. You know, you have a guide who has all history about Sezibwa Falls. Leave along these things of just walking alone. Tell you kugamba, you know, you don't know what this means, when did this place start up, you know. But with me, with the guides I have, believe me, everything is kawa. I sign out. Not sign out yet, but I'm still with you guys. Nabyo no balaba bana. Bali Mukono bavudde Rwanda. Bavudde Rwanda. They watched my video. They went to my description. They saw my WhatsApp number. They texted me. I got them the car, and I'm with them for 4 days. Yeah. Guys. Let's go. These guys are having fun. This is your welcome to Sezibwa Falls tourism project. Yeah, they wrote it, ma'am. Ndogamba tasoma. Kinga nasoma. This is Sezibwa Falls. Say. Oh, you used the wrong way, right?
I used the wrong way, my God.
So I pull you from here.
You like it? Okay, let's try.
Or you will pull me down. Probably. What?
Nice.
You're saying bye-bye to Sezibwa Falls for today. See you Sezibwa Falls next time. Wow. Nice, man, guys. Mujeko wano. Munyumirwe. Sezibwa. Wano waita abantu 13 bokka. Kati nze omunze kampulira ndi mu kujinyeenya kati oba najjako abalala nga 6 banfaanana. Olaba amazzi geyawulira awo. Gamu ne gagenda eno. Ndola gatuuka ne geegatta mu maaso eyo. Ya. So kyekyo. Tunyumiddwa bambi. Sezibwa badde Sezibwa. So we are heading to Jinja.
Asura zilicho. Uri kwipfunyika kwashize.